Hi, this is Steve Kavanaugh, and I'm here to show you my latest dance, my Two-Step Queen. It's to the song Honky Tonk Two-Step Queen by James Land. This is a two-wall, 34-count dance. There's one tag, 8 counts at the end of wall 2, and there's a restart on wall 5 where we only do 32 of the 34 counts. So I'm going to go through a little teach of the steps, and then I'll give you a demonstration. So with the weight on the left, we're going to do a coaster step, starting with the right. So we go back, together, forward. We lock step forward, step, lock, step. We do a quarter turn with a cross, step, pivot, cross, and we do a hinge turn, quarter, quarter, cross. We're going to do a little weave to the right, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, cross. And then we're going to do another hinge turn and do a longer weave going to our right. Quarter, quarter, cross, side, behind, side, cross. We do a half a rumba box going forward, side, close, forward on the right, and a quarter turn mambo to the left, rock, recover, and turn. We do a pair of cross and heels, cross, side, heel, step, cross, side, heel, step, a coaster step, and a full turn going forward with 3 steps. We're going to do a full rumba box to the right and forward, side, close, forward, side, close, back, and a rocking chair, rock back, rock forward. End of dance, we start with the coaster step. With the counts, weight on the left, starting with the coaster, it's 1 and 2, lock, step 3 and 4, turn, 5 and 6, hinge turn, 7 and 8. We weave 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, hinge, 5 and 6, weave, and 7 and 8. Rumba 1 and 2, mambo 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, and. We'll be doing the tag at the end of wall 2, so we'll be facing the front as we come to the end of that dance. Just as at the beginning of the dance, we're going to do the coaster and the lock step. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Here we'll do a chase turn. So step forward, half pivot, step forward for 5 and 6, and then we're going to do a half pivot with 2 steps back for 7 and 8. And then we restart with the coaster step. The restart will happen at the end of wall 5. We'll just do the rumba box. We won't do the rocking chair. We'll go right into it. Five, 6, 7, 8.
Go out to that old honky tonk with a cowgirl to the core. Line dance two-step, do-si-do, hell our feet might get sore. Baby, you and me dance all night long, right here on this floor. Make some moves, get the hooked on blues, waiting for some more. She's my honky-tonk two-step queen. She gets out on the floor. She jumps around, she twists around, she comes back for more. She's my honky-tonk two-step queen. She loves those swinging doors. And when it comes down to it, I know she'll do it right out on the floor.
Here's our tag. From the top.
It's getting late and the bar's closing down. Time for one more dance. I'll take her out to the floor once more, and I'll give her one last chance. She'll put her arms around my neck, yeah, she'll hold me real tight. Hell, I know I'll be the luckiest man in this honky-tonk tonight. She's my honky-tonk
Here's our restart.